Hello crypto enthusiasts, and welcome back to another seed airdrop video. If I click on open right here to open up my seed boat, right, this is what you're going to see, and a lot of us have been finding this confusing. There's nothing actually confusing about this. All you just have to do right now is you click on reload right now, because some of us don't even know how to log into this. Some of us don't understand the interface. Some of us don't know how to see our airdrop allocation. Some don't understand how to link our wallet to the Playseedgo. All this is what I'm going to be explaining in today's video. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this very one that says geolocation. Make sure it is turned on once you click on reload, and then go back to the Seed app, click on reload again, then go ahead and click on enable right here. Then make sure your location is enabled. Then head back to the Seed app, click on reload again, click on allow, and the geolocation is turned on. You click on Seed, click on allow again, and this is going to show you your location in real time, pointing to exactly where you are. Now, first thing you need to do right now is to cite your allocation at the top. So this is actually where you get to see your allocation. And if you click on this Google icon right here, if you click on this is going to review a bunch of tasks. Okay, tasks you haven't performed and those you have performed. Okay, if you click on Academy right now, you can see I've performed all the whole tasks or YouTube tasks. And for the garden right here, you can see it's just a few tasks, which if I perform, that should be about one extra seed. Okay, this would always demand for your location. Once it does, just click allow, just enable anything that needs to be turned on, and you'll be good to go. Now if you click on this arrow right here, this arrow right here is pointing to the exact location where you are. Okay, for this right here, this box right here, this is going to be the Seed Mon Box when the Seed Mon finally goes live. In case you don't know what the Seed Mon is, it's kind of a utility token on its own, and it's something that would earn you love, which is a token on the seed ecosystem. Okay, it's kind of more way to level up your reward in the seed ecosystem. Now we're going to go over to the airdrop right here. Let me just quickly change this pen. We're going to go over to the airdrop right here and click on this one that says airdrop NFT. Okay, now once you click on that, you're going to see two sections, and the two section right here is the airdrop right here and the points section. Okay, now we are in the airdrop section, and the two things you're going to be seeing is the claim to wallets and buy Moonbox. We're going to come to the point section. That is really easy, but something that a lot of people really find confusing is the claim to wallet right here. Okay, and I'm going to explain that right now. First thing you need to do is to click on claim to wallet, and you can see right here it says check dashboard. Connect your account on Playseedgo.com to check your balance for the airdrop. So what you want to do right now is to click on visit website, and it says do you want to open dashboard? Click on open, and this would lead you to the Playseedgo.com dashboard. Now the next thing you're meant to do is to log in with your Telegram, okay, so that you'll be able to connect your accounts. Now it's demanding for my number, and we're just going to do that right away, and then click on next. Okay, so it says we just sent you a message, please confirm access via Telegram. Okay, so we're just going to click on this drop down arrow right now. Click on this drop down arrow, head back, go to the all section right here, and voila, you can see the message right here on Telegram. So I'm just going to click on it right now, and it says Daniel Seed, we received a request to log in Playseedgo.com with your Telegram account. To authorize this request, use confirm button right here. Okay, so we're going to click on confirm right now to confirm that we actually agree to this. If you don't want this anymore, you don't trust it, you click on terminate, but you don't have to do that. This is actually coming from Seed themselves. Okay, so let's go back to Telegram authorization page and click on accept right now. Okay, and you can see it now worked. You're successfully logged in on Playseedgo.com. You can see the notification right here, and we'll just go back right now to the Playseedgo, and you can see your account Daniel Seed Patrick is now connected, and I believe we are meant to see our balance right here, guys. Okay, for the wallet right here, you can see there's nothing here because this is kind of more of the season 2. Okay, that's why you can't really see anything. Okay, this is the spending and this is the wallet but we'll get to understand this better when everything goes live and we can now sell our token. Okay, so you can type in the amount. If you click on all right now, right, if you click on all, you can see this is not clickable. That's because transaction for seed has not gone live, right? It's not available right now. Okay, now if you click on marketplace right here, it's not also clickable. And you need to do this. The reason you need to do this is because seed is building on Seal chain. Okay, they're building on Seal network, and they're moving away from Ton. So this is something you need to take serious, because Telegram might fold them up at any time. So you can see we have claimed our seed to our wallet, which is the Playseedgo.com wallet. Now the next one right here, which is the Buy Mon Box NFT, is actually a Mon Box containing Mon. Okay, Mon is kind of the utility token on the seed verse. Now before you can click on buy now, but I don't know why that's not visible at the moment. I clicked on buy now, I think, or apply, something like that. I can't really remember, but you should check yours to see if you applied. But I think you can buy this with your seeds, and the seed team is actually preparing and making a way to allow users buy this with Ton. Okay, so works is still in place, but this would actually earn you a reward, and that reward is the Seed Mon Box, which would earn you Mon token. Overall, is actually going to make you money. Okay, and they kind of reward people based on the NFT they have. If you minted an NFT when the seed drop was going on, the season one was going on, you're actually going to get a reward for this too. Okay, so this is what a seed update is all about. Really simple. If you come over to points right here, okay, just come over to points. This is where you see your airdrop allocation. Now for those of us complaining that we don't see our airdrop allocation, as long as you've seen everything right here checked, you're going to see your airdrop allocation. Some people didn't even do the star and ton transaction. Some didn't means an NFT, yet they got the allocation. If it doesn't work, try using a VPN. You can download Thunder VPN from Google Play Store and try that, and just reload this page. Just click on the three arrow at the top right here, okay, and click on reload page, and while your VPN is turned on, okay, and you'll be good to go. Thunder VPN is what you should download if you want to download, or use any VPN that suits you best. VPN is VPN, okay, and I believe you should see your allocation. As long as you did the seed subscription, you added seed to your name on Telegram, which is something I kept singing. You got some seed balance, you invited someone, and you got the achievement, which I believe everybody got at least one achievement. Then you'll be good to go. In case you don't know, if you want to see that achievement, you can come over to the top right here and click on that tree icon, and it will lead you to your profile page. You can see this is the only achievement I got, which is Growth Guardian. I missed the Wing of Freedom, literally. A lot of people miss this, but if you got at least the Growth Guardian, then I believe you should see your airdrop allocation. So this is basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you got something out of it. If you really enjoyed this video, then leave a like and share so that other people will get to benefit from what I shared in this video. When you like and share, you get to create greater exposure for this very video. Now if this is the first time stopping by, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell and turn it on to all. Okay, by so doing, whenever I create updates regarding seed airdrop, you'll be one of the first to get notified. Until I come your way next time, I remain your crypto guy Daniel. Stay safe.